Interesting psychological facts about dreams. Most of our dreams are linked to the thoughts or events from the previous day or two. Around 8% of the general population experience sleep paralysis, which is the inability to move when you are in the state between sleep and wake. Blind people see images in their dreams. You can have 4 to 7 dreams in one night, but you forget 90% of your dreams after 5 minutes of waking up. Men dream of sex with multiple partners twice as frequently as women. In our dreams, we only see faces that we already know because our mind cannot invent new faces. Men tend to dream more about other men. Around 70% of the characters in the man's dream are other men. On the other hand, a woman's dream contains almost an equal number of men and women. Your mind is more active while you are dreaming than when you are awake. Not everybody dreams in color. A full 12% of sighted people dream exclusively in black and white. Negative dreams are more common than positive ones. Some believe dreams can predict the future, though there is not enough evidence to prove it. Women have more nightmares than men during their teen and adult years. On average, an individual spends an average of 6 years dreaming. We dream mostly in pictures, with the majority of dreams being mainly visual with little sound or movement. According to research, approximately 4% of men and women's dreams are about sex. Eating before bed makes nightmares more likely because it increases your metabolism, signaling your brain to be more active. Most of your dreams are reflection of your state of mind at that point of time. Your emotions can shape the dreams you have. You can't read in dream because reading and dreaming are functions of different sides of the brain, which doesn't cooperate during dreams. Dreams can be projections of your unfulfilled desires or needs.